In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of removing a phone number from your Gmail account. Whether you have changed your number or simply wish to update your account settings, follow these steps. Access your Gmail app on your mobile device. Locate your profile picture, typically in the top right corner of the screen, and click on it to open your Gmail settings. Within the settings menu, look for the option labeled Manage Google Account and click on it to access the detailed settings for your Gmail account. Navigate to the Personal Info tab and scroll down to the Contact Info section, where you will find options related to your account details, including the linked phone number. Tap on your phone number, and on the next page, tap on it again. You should see an option to remove or change the linked number. Click on the delete icon and follow the prompts to confirm the removal. By following these steps, you can successfully remove your phone number from your Gmail account. Thank you for your attention.